Let's tackle some more story problems. 60 students are in the marching band. There are 10 rows of students. How many students are in each row? I know we're trying to figure out how many students are in each row. And the numbers that I'm going to use to help me figure this out are 60 and 10. You might not have even recognized this 60 here written as a word, but it's still a number. 60 students, 10 rows. Now, I usually use the drawing strategy. I think drawing a picture is really helpful when solving these word problems, but I'm going to try something different. Let's try guessing and checking. Guess and check is also a great strategy to use when you're solving story problems. So we know that these are the different operations that we could be using to solve the problem. Let's see if we can figure this out. If I added 60 plus 10, I would get 70. Is it possible that there are 70 students in each row? No way. That answer doesn't make sense because there are only 60 students altogether in the band. There can't be 70 in each row. Let's look at the next one. 60 minus 10. 60 minus 10 is 50. I don't think there could be 50 students in each row because there are 10 rows of students. And if there are 50 in the first row and 50 more in the second row, we're already at 100 students. And there are only 60 students in the marching band. So I don't think this strategy is going to work either. Let's look at this one. 60 times 10. Might seem like a big multiplication problem, but I know that multiplying with 10 is easy. All I do is add a 0. So 60 plus 10 is 600. And I know that there can't possibly be 600 students in each row because there are only 60 students in the band. Let's look at this one. 60 divided by 10. 60 divided by 10 is 6. I know that this is true because if I do the opposite, 6 times 10, then my answer is 60. 60 divided by 10 is 6. Let's check. So we guessed and tried out all of these different problems. Now let's check to see if our answer is right. There are 10 rows of students and there are 6 students in each row. So that means that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 groups of 6 because there are 6 in every one of those 10 rows. And 10 times 6 is 60. And that is the same number of students in the band. So I know that there are 6 students in each row because our answer checks out.